going on, guys? It's August 17th, 2021. We're doing our second one-box break of 2021 Panini Prizm Baseball. We're going to be rolling the dice for the random and pairing everyone up. We only re-roll if we get snake eyes. And if there's multiple player or teams on a card, then we'll randomize between the two teams on the card. Whoops, didn't mean to drop it, but there we go. 1 and 2. So we're going to randomize each list 3 times. So I'm going to take you guys over to the screen to show who is in what break. Or who's in this particular break, I should say. So we got Mike Z, Craig H, Derek K, Greg C, Troy M, Jacob C, Jason U 4. And then we copied and pasted that 2 more times. So we got Mike Z, Craig H, Derek K, Greg C, Troy M, Jacob C, Jason U 4, Mike Z, Craig H, Derek K, Greg C, Troy M, Jacob C, and Jason U 4. So I'm going to copy and paste these names into random.org. Mike Z on top, Jason U on bottom, and 3 times. 1, of course. Okay, so there we go. 1, 2, as you guys can see, 2 times. And third and final time, we got Troy M on top and Jason U on bottom. And that was randomized 3 times. Paste it. Copy it. Copy the teams. Paste them into the random.org. Diamondbacks on top, Nationals on bottom 3 times. Good luck, everyone. 1, 2, third and final time. Marlins on top, Blue Jays on bottom. All right, and then we're going to sort it. And we got Craig H with the Braves, Brewers, and Astros. Derek K with the Mets, Tigers, and Pirates. Greg C with the Nationals, Cubs, and Cardinals. Jacob C with the Red Sox, A's, and Giants. Jason U with the Rangers, Dodgers, White Sox, Phillies, Yankees, Padres, Reds, Mariners, Rockies, Twins, Diamondbacks, and Blue Jays. Mike Z with the Indians, Royals, and Rays. And then Troy M with the Marlins, Angels, and Orioles. So I'm going to make that smaller so if you guys can see everything, and you guys can make a trade if you want. I'm going to give it about a minute, and then we're going to get started. Yeah, so yeah, Carl, that break was a personal. That one was cool. That one I think we pulled for Josh. I might be wrong, but I'm pretty sure it was Josh that we pulled that for. Mike, you know you want one. Here, I'm going to do some group break links really quick. And by group break links, I mean... Well, welcome back, Troy. We like to have some fun here. Oh, nice. Nice. And then, Mike, I'm going to just casually drop a link for you really quick, just in case. It'll just be sitting there. All right? No pressure, no nothing. It'll just be casually sitting there. There you go. It's a casual link. Casual link, man. 30 seconds, and then we'll get started. Really, no rookie stamp at all. That's a bizarre. That's bizarre that doesn't come. What? All right, we're going to get started. Let's do it. I'm excited for this one. Jamie, did you want that ripped live? Because we have Allen and Ginter after this for someone. Good luck to everyone. 12 packs per box, 12 cards per pack. 3 autos, looking for lava flows. Empty box. It's crazy that there's no rookie stamp on them. Jamie, did you want that ripped live? Let me know. First pack. Lewin Diaz. Campusano, Howard, all rookies. Trey Turner, Chisholm, Abreu, Monte Harrison, Giolito, Eddie Matthews, old school. Not a rookie. Carlos Correa. I'm going to push these back so I can actually have some. Carlos Correa. This is a blue Trex and out of 199. Mike, don't worry. I just added that link to Fantasy Sports Breaks just so you have it. Sandy Koufax with a really bad print line or whatever that is. And a Lumber Ink of Aaron Judge. Looks like we do have an auto in this pack. Manoah Davidson, Arenado Yastrzemski, Grisham, Lewis, Soroka, Votto, Joey Gallo, Fearless, and not numbered, Kyle Lewis. So we've already pulled one of these, and a Trevor Rogers. But that's a debut signatures silver auto of Kyle Lewis, so that's not a bad one. Who says they're the Kyle Lewis follows them? And then we got a Trevor Rogers silver rookie. Someone said that Kyle Lewis follows him all the time. I think it was Carl. Fireworks, Corey Seager, silver. Pretty sweet. Gotta love yourself some silver. Beautiful. And just like that, we are on. Oh, Evan White follows you. That's who follows you. But there's someone else that has Kyle Lewis following them. No auto. Garcia, Vaughn, Garcia. There's Louis and Davey. Dahlbeck. Lemahieu. Mountcastle, Brett, Sosa, Martinez, Johnny Bench, old school. Kohei Arihara. Blue, not numbered. And a stargazing of Garrett Cole. Urban Santana follows me. Don't really know if that's a brag. Maybe, though. You never know. Oh, you have a booklet of his? Yeah, I don't have, any baseball, I'm not going to lie. I have a Babe Ruth, game used bat piece, maybe. Clark Schmidt. Oh, no, I added all the... Okay. Clark Schmidt, Scherzer, Evan White, there he is. Goldschmidt, Cameron, Nelson Cruz, Bichette. We got a McClanahan, rookie. Trey Turner, Illumination. We got our second auto. And that's out of 35. Tariq Skubal, Ooh, snakeskin. Nice. For the Tigers. Oh, no, wait. Who says it? Who wanted it? Is it Troy? Scooball. Snakeskin auto out of 35, yeah. Luis Gonzalez, silver, and a Joe Adell rookie class. Yeah, Tariq Scooball's been following me. Him and Casey Mize. I swear Tiger players have been just following me. Yeah, but the snakeskins look really nice. I'm a big fan of them. We got a, I want to say this is like an orange or a yellow or whatever they call it. Ozzie Smith, Verlander, Gilbert, Woodruff, Whitley rookie, Hader, Jimenez, Castro, Yelich. Oh, we got a rookie. Luis Gonzalez. Bronze rookie. Or bronze or orange. Out of 100. And then we got a Cody Whitley. Red rookie team color parallel. And a Fernando Tatis firework insert. I think there's an auto in this pack because I think I saw the color for it. Yep. Kalenic, Jeffries, Lynch, Marmolejos, Santander, Patino, Paredes, Nelson Cruz, Fearless. This one's out of 99. Spencer Howard. So it should be a team color, right? Nice. Spencer Howard Prizm auto. Tatis is a baller for sure. We got a sick auto. Sick looking auto. Like the snakeskin stuff, dude, is so nice. Braxton Garrett too. Silver. We've been getting a lot of color, like rookie color. George Springer Sluggers. We're like halfway done with the box and we already pulled all our autos and we still have a ton of parallels to go and a ton of inserts and Justin Turner, Eloy Jimenez, Pujols, Joey Bart, Syndergaard, Huff, Trout, Jones, Javier, Louis Robert Illumination. We got a Ryan Jeffers, blue rookie, and a Nick Madrigal rookie class. Dude, we've been getting a lot of rookie color. Am I wrong? Pretty sure we've been getting a lot of rookie color. Oh, should have a numbered card in here. Robinson, Gonzalez, oops. Garcia, Urias, Harper, Paddock, Louis Alexander, Betts, Josh Bell, Fearless. We got a Red Trax, not a rookie. Brandon Lowe, and Rafael Devers, and an AJ Pollock. So the Red Trax is out of 149. There's the red Devers. Got 40. No, we got 4 packs left. What the? not numbered. Verdugo, Oliva, Castellani, Morris, Acuna, Nola, Contreras, Gonzalez, Hill. Got a Juan Soto, stained glass. Stained glasses are really cool. Hopefully we can get an insert, like a numbered or a colored parallel of the stained glass, because they actually look really good. And we got a Garrett Crochet blue rookie. So much rookie color. Holy. That one's not numbered. And then we also got a Ryan Mountcastle rookie class. Devers.
Oh, this one? No, that's Donruss. That is oh, this? Yeah, it's the same stuff. It's just this is the
McKenzie,
box, so
Anderson,
right.
Correa, Moniak, Sanchez, Mandrigal. We got an illumination. Miguel Cabrera, Trevor Bauer, illumination. Rookie Seth Romero, Red Trax rookie, and that is numbered 85 of 149.
Like hobby packs?
And an Ian Anderson red. Mookie Betts, stargazing. Oh, we got like a Starburst or whatever these are called. These are sweet. Gallon, Story, Lindor, Snell, Garrett, Kim, rookies, Bellinger, Donaldson. We got a Sixto Sanchez illumination. Starburst, or whatever these are called. Louis Robert, okay, solid. And a Tristan McKenzie and a Miguel Amaya emergent. I gotta admit, dude, these are probably my favorite inserts that I've seen so far. Color cards. And that's out of 75, 18 to 75.
No, we already have one.
Tristan McKenzie. Yeah, Louis Robert's been going crazy. Hopefully continues in the playoffs. Tomei, Scrub, Marquez, Walker, McKinstry, Hara, Blankenhorn, Altuve, Rendon, Max Scherzer. We got a blue Fearless of Dylan Carlson. That's a nice one. And a championship stage of Justin Turner. Who's the Diamondbacks pitcher? So that one's not numbered. Who's the Diamondbacks pitcher that got like a no-hitter in his first career start or something like that? Anyway, appreciate you guys for joining. As always, we will be back live. I'm sorry, not back live. Appreciate you guys for joining. We're going to get these packaged up and shipped out this week. Appreciate you guys for joining. Congrats to everyone that hit. And we hope you guys have a good one.